Okay, so this is our room at the Harry Beach Club, and as you come through the door, straight away you see the bathroom, and there's a light somewhere. There it is. There you go. So the bathroom is the first thing you see, and it's quite nice. We've got a walk-in shower, and we've got a toilet, and we've got a cat outside the door that is howling to come in. As you can hear, I hope that doesn't last all night. It is night time, so I can't show the balcony or anything like that. This is the bedroom. So definitely not the same space that we had in Morocco. However, it's more comfortable than other places we've stayed, so I'm not complaining. We've got a flat screen TV, and as I've said in previous videos, it's right for our Chromecast. So it's flat screen. We've got a plug socket on the wall close by. We've got our own extension cable. We always bring our own extension cable for obvious reasons. It's got plug socket by the bed on both sides, so I'm laughing. Then there's a full-length mirror here, which I'm not going to stand in front of. Then here, through the curtains, there is a balcony, and I'm not even going to try to open it tonight because there is nothing to see out there. I will do another video tomorrow, as always, and show you the view from the balcony. And that, my friends, apart from the wardrobe there, which has got a safe in it, and there is a step down to that wardrobe. So you've got to be careful if you've had a few. In here, there's a few anchors, so bring your own. And there's a safe, extra pillows, extra duvet, and a bag, presumably for laundry, if you want them to do your laundry. Don't know why you would, but yeah. There you go. That's the Harry Beach Club. So, as promised, this is the view from the balcony. This is different. It's like a twist instead of a push or slide. And then it opens like a normal door. And this is the balcony. And as you can see, we have quite a view. Lovely sea view. See if I can zoom in on that for you so you can see. Yeah, it's lovely. On the balcony itself, we've got 2 chairs and a table. And there's a rail for hanging your clothes. It's really nice.